Welcome. In this video we will view how to register for a class using a permission. Some classes require permission to add or drop a class. Waitlisted students also require permission to add a class. When you have been granted a permission, typically from an instructor or department, you will receive an email notification. If you are on the waitlist for a class and do not register by the permission expiration date, you will be automatically dropped from the waitlist. A warning: receiving a permission does not automatically register you for the class. You must use Backpack registration to complete the class registration process. Navigate to Student Center, Backpack, Registration, and then select the appropriate term and career. Click Continue. If the drop/add deadline has passed, consult with your advising office and your academic unit and follow their late add procedure in order to process your registration. To register for a class before the drop/add deadline, the class needs to be in your backpack. If the class is not already in your backpack, add it by searching by the 5-digit class number, which is the quickest way to find the correct class and section. Note, the class may also appear on your class schedule below with a waitlisted yellow triangle. In this case, you do not need to drop from the waitlist, but you still need to add the class to your backpack. Type the 5-digit class number and click Enter. Click Next to finish adding the class to your backpack. Verify the class section and class number in your backpack match your permission. If they do not match, remove the class from your backpack and add the correct class to your backpack. Select the class from your backpack and proceed with the 3-step process to add a class. Tip: if you are replacing a class for which you are already registered with this class for which you received permission, try the swap function. It will attempt to drop and add the selected classes at the same time. When you are finished registering, check your class schedule to ensure you have successfully registered for the appropriate class. At the bottom of the backpack registration page, enrolled is indicated by a green check mark. This completes our video.